I'm getting ready to make a papaya and mango smoothie. I don't know about anybody else out there that has a Vitamix, but these things last forever. So I'm so excited. I was able to get, let me see if y'all can see. I got a brand new container. So my old container is a 64-ounce one, and I've had that thing for so long. So this makes me feel like I have a new machine. Now, I don't know about y'all. It seems like food made in new stuff tastes better. So I'm going to put together my papaya and mango smoothie. So let me show you what I got. Got some fresh papaya that's all sliced up and peeled and the seeds taken out. I got some dinosaur kale or lacinato kale. And I normally wouldn't even use it, but they're going bad, so I want to get them in there. I got some frozen mango chunks, and that is half of a Meyer lemon. Why Meyer? Just because I like them. Any lemon will do. All right, so let's get started. Now here we go. I'm just gonna pour it in there. You might like yours a little bit thinner. It's up to you, but this will go down just like a shake. And it's thick because I didn't put too much liquid, and because that papaya and those frozen mango chunks thicken it up nicely. All right. Salud.